How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to mix and apply body filler. This is the repair area here. So as you can see, I've put everything back to bare metal. And what I'm going to do is apply the body filler around this repair area. I've got the body filler here. I've got the hardener. Now what you need to bear in mind, depending on the temperature of where you are, the colder it is, you're going to have to use a little bit more hardener. Now the usual ratio at 20 degrees Celsius is 50 parts body filler and 1 part hardener. So I like to use this here. This is pretty much called an onion board. You apply the body filler here. Once you've finished using it, you just tear off the piece of paper and then you've got a fresh piece underneath. But if you don't have access to one of these, you can actually use just an old piece of cardboard. So I'm just going to open the tin all the way around. And what I'll do, now this is the repair area here, so another good tip is try and use a spreader similar size. That way you get good coverage on the repair area. Just a little bit of hardener, like so. Just shut the lid so we don't get any contaminants in there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix this thoroughly, but we don't want to put any pockets of air in it, so we just spread it like so. And we've just got to make sure that everything, the colour is uniform. Give it a good mix. And then we're ready to go. We just apply to the repair area. And what we'll do now is we'll use the spreader. And what you want to do is feather it out towards the edges of the repair area. So when we're spreading this, we're just using a little bit of pressure. And then that's it, we'll just leave it at that. Because this stuff actually starts to go off quite quickly, sometimes the more you mess around with it, the more lines and holes you put in it. So just put it on, spread it across, and then leave it. Because if there's any imperfections, we can come back with a second coat prior to using the fine filler. What we want to do now is we want to clean the tools before the resin hardens. So I'll just get an old rag, put a bit of pressure on it. And that's it, as long as I've got a nice straight edge now. All we do now with the onion board is we find the edge. And there you go. That's us ready now to be able to start again. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.